Menteri Rangbah ke Sarkar Jela Konrad K. Sangma ulapan pau ia ke jingsosi bakat badang mi gisngi lai bagi kamrunar ki babunjat kila sedang ban kharoi hapo ke Jela. Haka wei ke jingja ke bala Sngewkhia bah ke bala jah ke janmit jong ke santarik benai rempang arajar arpuar haka por kumba kendai sipawa AA arngut kirunar ki bala sop spine bah ya ke dur khmat jongki da ke badeng da ki helmet kila lej ban Lute na ki Tylli ki Petrol pom ki badan Nongbah Shalong. Nakiliang jong Menteri Rangbah ke Jela Konrad K. Sangma ulaban khia ya ke tenat Pulit banle ya ke badan kam ban te la kam bah ya ki jingjele jong ki kam tu kam Lute. Menteri Rangbah ke Jela ulai thuru bagate ke jingja kelajah ki Tylli ki Petrol pom hak bagawai ke dei ke badan Nongrim Hills bat kawai pat ke dei ke Assam Auto Agency ke badan Marjan bat ke dukan he ya ke balatip kum kapan taluns. Lengba ka CCTV ke balayo bandring ha Assam Auto Agency la yoi bagi don arngut ki bru ki bawan da ka bike pulsar bandrung bet saka kamera bu pisa bat dawa pisa na kite ki nong tray ki besyong ha kite ki Petrol pom bat kat kum ke jinge thu jong ki nong tray ki badan hapo kite ki Petrol pom Assam Auto Agency ki laong bagi te ki runar ki layo bandrong hadu arlak prapo hajar tengka ka pisa bat bak ki la phetno na kite ki jaka da ka thuk thuk jong ki syaka than fire brigade. Kat ban nak Petrol pom ke badan Nongrim Hills kita grunar ki klemyo bandrong ya ke pisa bat lengba jong ke CCTV ke badan ha ke Petrol pom lai bagi degi ju ki bru ki belej ban Lute na Assam Auto Agency bat ke lej ban rung jubor ha ke caka bu pisa dak bapenap dak suloi AK47 Henry Watt la kata omla satia ban pensisha la ke de shishan em ke suloi namar la thep ha ke wai ke borni plastik bagi lara klem da se satia syabar. Menteri Rangbah okhot dagi paiba banwan ra ya kejingsuk om ban penmi ya kejingting jingsmi.
So what I was telling the earlier press who had met me that incidents happen. It's not that incidents don't happen. There are robbery incidents that take place in different parts of the state. There are other incidents that take place all over. So this tendency to link an incident with the law and order situation in the state is unfair, and one has to realize that yes, everything should be done to ensure that no incident takes place, but that's the nature of things, and crimes do happen, and government always works towards ensuring that they're minimized, but one cannot avoid certain crimes taking place. So they are happening, and it should not happen, and we will do our best to try and ensure that none of it happens. But as I said, that in any society, for the matter of fact, anywhere, any other state also, any country also, crimes do take place, and that's the reason why there is a system, and enforcement is there. So therefore, yes, we will do whatever we can, but I just feel that connecting this to a general aspect that there is a law and order situation would be completely unfair.
So is this linked to militancy?
Well, right now it's a robbery, so we are investigating what's the side of it. But as I said, these kind of robberies should not happen. But yes, they sometimes do happen.
They were carrying AK-47 rifles. Is it so easy to get AK rifles?
No, it's not at all easy to get. So therefore, as I said, investigation is on. So once I get the reports, we will give back details of the investigation results. As of now, the report has not come to me, so it will be inappropriate for me to give a response to that without getting the detailed report. Of course, the police will be more vigilant about these aspects, but there's cash available there, so maybe they intended to take that. But then that's the nature of all shops, or every shop will have cash. So therefore, there will not be a specific plan or program as per se for, say, all petrol pumps, because then you'll have to obviously look at all those other businesses also. But in general, of course, we will strengthen the overall surveillance and ensure that proper action is taken against, especially those people who are involved in this.